I'm going to show you how we can create a document for a patient to sign either on an iPad or by emailing it to them. So first of all, we'll go to the patient file, communications, and new document. So this is going to take you to your template manager. So in here, you can see all of the templates that you've got set up for your clinic. We can only sign a template if it has this yellow box. So if the yellow box isn't there, you won't be able to email it or give it to the patient on an iPad to sign. So how do we insert that yellow box into existing templates or creating new templates? If you've got an existing template that you want to add the signature box to, you can click on any of the templates. We'll just do the referral letter one for now. And you can click on this blue pencil. This is going to edit the selected template. So in here, we have insert signature up on the top right. So if I insert signature, I get that yellow box. So that indicates that I can either get the patient to sign on the iPad or I can email it for them to sign at home on their mobile, on their desktop, laptop, whatever it is they have. So I'm going to create a financial consent document that has the yellow signature box here. So I'll find my template and create document from selected template. Because I've got that yellow box in the template, I get these options: sign via email or sign on iPad. So I can select either one of these options depending on how I want the patient to sign. So sign via email just looks like sending an email to the patient. Their email address will be populated in here. All you need to do is press send. When the patient signs that form, you'll get a PDF saved copy in their communications with their signature on it. If I choose to sign on the iPad, I then get this little pop-up here, financial consent to be signed on the iPad. So that's suggesting that it's ready to be signed on the iPad. So if I had an iPad in the clinic, I would open up the Practica app on the iPad. I would search for my patient's name, and there'll be a little pop-up saying that there's one document ready to be signed. And then I can open the document, hand over the iPad, the patient signs and completes it. And then again, we get a copy of that as a PDF in their communications. Hope this helps.